I have an empty shampoo bottle. Let's change the power steering fluid for my Honda. For this old Honda, it still uses an hydraulic power steering system. So therefore the fluids need to be changed on a regular basis to keep it working properly. Some of the newer cars have adapted to an electric power steering system. So therefore, in this case, you will have no use for the empty shampoo bottle, so you can go ahead and recycle it or throw it away. The power steering fluid reservoir is located right here, where the red cap is. It's right next to the windshield washer fluid reservoir, the blue cap for this Honda. Remove the red cap. Insert the pump end into the reservoir and use the bottle to catch the used fluid. And add fresh power steering fluid back into the reservoir. For this Honda, the entire bottle fits into the reservoir. And put the cap back. And that's it. Is replacing the fluid in the reservoir enough? Yes, there is some amount of fluid exchange within the system. Let me show you an example. The old fluid has been in the car for about 20,000 miles. And you can see there's a difference in color between the new fluid and the old fluid. Some will say the proper way is to disconnect the fluid line and drain it that way. Sure, if you know how to do that, please continue. Or you can pay someone, like a mechanic or your dealer, anywhere between $60 to $100 to replace the power steering fluid. Or you can do it yourself. Each bottle is about $5. By replacing the fluid yourself every 20 or so thousand miles, you're bound to keep the system clean. And that's a lot cheaper than paying someone to do it at the regular scheduled maintenance interval. And the shampoo bottle is free. Some will use a turkey baster to suck the fluid out of the reservoir. But why even spend the $3 when you can use this? Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and I'll see you next time.